signing between Government of Karnataka and Tata Technologies. I'm certain that you have all received the agenda for today. May I please invite Dr. S. Selvakumar, Secretary DIT, Government of Karnataka.
We are here to sign an MOU which will help change the course of lakhs of technical students in Karnataka. We are very happy that our Honorable Chief Minister has consented to witness this MOU signing ceremony. He has taken a lead and spearheaded this initiative. He is also present here with us. I welcome him on behalf of all of us present here. Witnessing this event from Detroit, USA at the mid-hour of night. I welcome him for this event and also thank him for taking this giant step despite of
Mr. Warren Harris, CEO and MD Tata Technologies, who's here with us online from the US. Since it's very late in the US, thank you Warren for your time and for joining us at this.
Partners, we at Tata Technologies are privileged to participate and contribute. The manufacturing industry is currently witnessing the fourth law of becoming seamlessly connected. As a result, traditional manufacturing processes are undergoing an enormous transformation which will change the way products are being conceived through 4.0. Every country, and indeed every region within every country, will encounter challenges related to skills and capabilities. The young men and women that are committed to a career in the manufacturing sector. Our support for this program is aligned with the future aspirations that we have for our company. Our societal and business aspirations positions this program firmly at the center of the Tata Group's commitment to doing well by doing good. We are therefore incredibly proud to partner with the government. The way to facilitate this is by building partnerships with government institutions and academia, and the Tata Technologies to actively participate in curriculum development in order to reach.
Normally that happens, the measurement should be done properly. We can't afford to do all these things, and this has to be done properly. I expect all of you to take it forward. This is a matter of changing the lives of lakhs together people. And once again, thank all of you for giving this opportunity for this to happen. Namaskar. Namaste.
Dr. C.N. Ashok Narayan, Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Karnataka, Shri Vijay Bhaskar, Chief Secretary, Government of Karnataka, Mr. Warren Harris, Managing Director and CEO of Tata Technologies Limited, Mr. Anand Bhade, President of Tata Technologies, Mr. Pawan Bagoria, President TML SBU, senior officers of the government and other dignitaries present here. It is indeed a great pleasure to be part of this program. Our government is committed to holistic development of the state. I am pleased to inform you that our government, in collaboration with Tata Technologies Limited, is implementing upgradation of 150 government-owned ITIs with an investment of Rs 4,600 crores, we are selecting these ITIs across all districts. As all of you know, it is supply core workforce required by the manufacturing industry. At present, ITI are not fully geared to handle changing requirements of smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0. Under this program, Tata Technologies along with 20 industry partners will bring latest and on-demand technologies, training and additional certification services to students of these ITIs. Polytechnics and engineering students, perhaps this is one of the biggest initiatives taken up in government and industry partnership. I hope this initiative will be a win and win situation for both the state and the industries. Training provided by Tata Technologies Limited along with others will help students to get better employment in the state, across the country and globally. We also believe that this initiative is a positive add-on to the investor-friendly ecosystem that we have already created in our state through introduction of various industry-friendly incentive policies. We are happy that this initiative will not only benefit students but also help large industries, MSMEs, artisans and handicraft business of the state. Even the large industries would immensely benefit from the ready availability of skilled pool of youth, leading to reduce the cost of hiring and on the job training. It is heartening to note that Karnataka is the first state in the country to quickly embrace and implement an initiative of this scale, focusing exclusively on upgradation of ITIs. As the manufacturing industry to actively engage with this initiative and shape our ITIs to become next generation technology hubs. On behalf of the state of Karnataka, I profusely thank Tata Technologies and other industry partners for bringing such a socially useful initiative to our state. With this initiative, I look forward to see Karnataka as the premier industrial hub globally in coming years. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.
ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬೇಗ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಯೋಯೋ ಟಿವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.